scientists wear around their eyes? They have to keep their eyes safe, right? So why don't we go ahead, put them on. Nope, you get what you get, and you don't catch a fit. Okay? Alright, so let's go over our safety rules. You need to stay in your seat. Stay seated at all times. All times. Unless I tell you you can get up, you need to stay in your seat. You do not touch anything unless I say it's okay. And you need to listen to all directions. Capiche? Capiche. Capiche. Okay, we're going to pass out our worksheet. It's okay if they're too big. Mine are really big on me too.
Mine are too small.
Look, Jordan.
Yeah, mine are plugged right here. These look like goggles.
They are.
They kind of look like goggles. Alright, let's put our name on it. I want your autograph. I want your autograph on it. I want your autograph. You can hold them up for right now while you write.
Yeah. I can see.
Okay. Does everyone have their autograph on?
Yep.
Alright. So look at the first thing where it says cutting the crayons. And our prediction. What does prediction mean? Katie?
Yes.
Guess. So you're going to make a guess. Alright? So I'm going to take 2 crayons. Okay? I'm going to take these 2 crayons and I'm going to shred it. I'm going to shred it like this, back and forth, till almost all of it is gone. Alright? So I want you to predict what is going to happen. What is going to happen?
It's going to fall.
What is going to happen to the crayon?
Write the answer.
Yep, write it under prediction.
Which prediction one?
Where it says cutting the crayons in the box next to it. Right here.
So what do you do?
Write what you think is going to happen. Guess what you think is going to happen. I'm going to go back and forth like this. Back and forth like this.
Look what I said.
Okay.
Look what I put in my face. Christmas. Look, read this.
Hold on, I'm going to ask you what you guys predicted in a minute. I'm going to give you 1 more minute. Okay? While I do that, I'm going to put this out so crayons don't stay all over the desk.
Mine hurts my belly. Whose desk
Okay.
is that?
This is a desk from the back.
I can't see his desk.
Okay.
Someone's sitting in it right now.
Alright, so who wants to share their prediction?
I do.
Katie, Haley, what do you think? Okay, gonna shred like cheese.
Oh, I'm the same thing. It's like a potato box.
Shred like cheese.
Shred like cheddar.
Caitlin, do you have something different to add?
It will be flat on both ends.
Flat on both ends. What will be flat on both ends? The crayon. Crayon. Flat on both ends. Kayla, what do you think?
It's going to be short.
Short. The crayon? Crayon will be short. Madeline, what do you think?
All of the crayons will start to go away.
All of the crayons will start to go away. All of the crayon will start to go away. Hunter, what do you think?
Shred the little pieces.
Shred some little pieces. Shred to little pieces. What do you think, Jaheim? Cut the crayon. Cut the crayon. Alright, I think I can fit in one more. Spencer.
Shred into tiny specks.
Shred into tiny specks. Shred to tiny specks.
Same thing.
Alright. So put your goggles on, because I'm gonna be doing something.
What?
Alright. Goggles on. Pencils down.
Put them on backwards, Haley. I know. Put them on upside down.
Alright, voices off so you can hear. I want you guys to be able to listen very carefully to see if you hear anything. Alright? So when you make your observations, while you're observing me do this, see what you can hear, what you see,
What you smell.
what you smell, and what you feel. Okay? I will walk around after I'm done shredding, and I will let you have a chance to touch it, okay? Alright?
You have to make the crayon.
So I have to get the paper off first.
Oh, we got an easy way to do that. All you gotta do is grab side and twist it.
Alright, so there's one.
My cousins are going to do it one time. Are you good?
Should have done orange and blue just for you, Katie.
Oh, really now? She is not that kind of fan.
I know, I was joking with her.
I'm a Gator fan. I'm a Gator fan.
Alright. Almost there. Alright. Okay, voices off so you can hear. Voices off so you can hear. I'm going to start. What do you guys hear?
Like
Like a shredding noise?
or scratching.
It's scratching?
Away like I thought all the crayon will start. Why are you coloring your shredder? She ain't.
Oh, it's making
Alright, there's one.
Whoa.
I'm going to do the other one.
I can't see Madeline. I can't smell
Whoops.
anything. You broke it.
I did break it. Too strong.
Hey, we can't see back here.
I know, I'm going to walk around.
I don't smell anything.
I'm going to walk around and I'm going to let you smell it. I'm going to let you touch it. Alright, voices off so you can
Mix
hear.
them together.
You may hear something different.
Why do you put your goggles on?
I heard something.
Okay?
Why don't
Can you
use
please
the
move
top
the
part?
crayon box out of the way?
Why don't you use the top?
I'm going to walk around.
Why don't you do the top?
Touch it.
Touch it.
Alright, write what you see, what you feel, and what you smell.
You didn't ever do the top of the crayon.
These are Christmas colors. You gotta write what you touch and you smell.
Alright, make your observations. Write what you see, what you smell, what you feel.
Just to guess all of this.
Well, I'm walking around now. What did you see? And under observation, what did you see? What did you see happen? What did you smell? What did you feel? I smell it. Do you want to feel it?
It smells weird. I know. It stinks. I don't know what it smells like.
What if you went out of the room and get it right small?
Can I smell it?
I know what it smells like. Okay. That's like clay. Filling my head.
Smells like clay.
I haven't touched it or dusted it.
Write it. Write it down.
Nothing or dusted. It's like wine. I don't like it. I took mine off. You have mine off. Thank you.
I haven't smelled today.
what you say. Write what you see.
Look at my face.
Okay,
I'm just like.
turn around and write. If you're done writing, put your hands on your head.
Oh, it smells like. I didn't draw it. What?
You can draw it if you would like. You can draw what you see, what you observe.
I saw a bar killing my face.
Okay?
Look what I saw.
All right, I'm going to give you one more minute. Remember, if you're done writing, put your hands on your head so I can see who's done.
So we just raise our hands.
Nope, I want your hands on your head.
That looks like it's goggles.
Hands on your head.
Why don't we wear goggles? You only wear these.
Because so that way nothing can get in your eyes.
Can I take it off? Give me a headache. I don't know, maybe one.
While you're writing, you can put them on your head like this.
Whoa.
Okay? Do these lines on me.
Yeah. It does that to me too. You said I had one.
Okay.
Does I got one?
All right, so tell me, what did you observe? What did you observe? Katie, what did you observe?
I put the crayon smells like clay, looks like wood shavings, and feels weird.
Smells like clay, you said?
It smells like Play-Doh to me.
And looks
That's what I said. It looks like wax.
like
Smells like
wood
Play-Doh.
shavings.
No, it just looks like Play-Doh. If you dare to play with it.
Lily,
It looks like little tiny shreds.
looks like tiny shreds.
It feels like wax. And then it smells like wax.
It smells like Play-Doh.
Looks like tiny shreds. And what, Lily?
It's like shedded.
It feels like wax. And
Feels like wax.
It smells like wax.
So feels and smells
Me and my pencil
Like wax.
like wax.
Ooh.
Sierra, what did you observe?
It smells like Play-Doh.
Smells like Play-Doh.
And you.
My pencil broke.
And it feels like. I want to get those stuck to grass.
And smells like grass?
It feels like grass.
Oh, feels like grass.
No, it doesn't. Well, kind of.
Is that mask?
Look how about wearing mine.
My pencil broke.
You can sharpen it.
Oh.
Emma, what did you observe?
I thought I heard things.
What did you hear? What kind of noise was it?
A beating.
Okay, heard a beating noise.
Sound like this. I did it.
Okay? All right. So now,
Yeah.
I wanted you to write why you think it happened. Why do you think it happened? Make your explanation.
What happened?
There's no right or wrong answers. Why do you think this happened?
Because it is.
Why did you think this happened?
Because it's science.
Write what you think happened. Why do you think it happened? Why do you think it happened? Think of science. Think of science and what we've been learning. Why do you think this happened? I'm gonna ask in about a minute. I'll give you another minute. Think him loose.
You know why they have those plugs?
All right, voices off while you guys are writing. Voices off while you guys are writing.
Teacher classes are on back.
When you are done writing, I want you to raise both hands up in the air.
Whoa!
Voices should be off while people are writing. Emma.
Can you make mine tighter? I keep pulling out my head.
I'm not going to do anything with with your goggles right now. All right, so Jackson, why do you think this happened? Your hands were up in the air. You're done writing? You're done writing? Luke, why do you think it happened?
The blades on it cut it.
The blades on it cut it.
I put blades cut.
Blades on it cut the crayon.
Ooh, crayon.
Mark, why do you think it happened?
Because we shredded them.
Because we shredded them?
Duh. That was mine. I cleaned mine.
What do you think, Haley? It was rubbing up against bumps. It was rubbing up against bumps. What do you think, Spencer?
Shredder has sharp little blades.
So the shredder has sharp little blades. So the shredder has sharp blades. Alright? So now, I'm going to fold it. I'm going to fold it. Okay?
No, this is really good looking in your eye.
I'm going to fold it. Alright? Put your goggles on. And now, I'm going to pound it.
Wait, what about our
Oh, predictions. I forgot about our predictions. Thank you, Katie. Okay, I want you to make your predictions on what you think will happen to the crayon when I pound it. What do you think will happen to the crayon when I pound it? What do you think will happen? You got it right. Every and then add where? W-H-E, right?
Now when the ball starts to fly. I know, look at that fish with mayonnaise. Now when your ball's going
Okay.
I know what mayonnaise. Fish with mayonnaise. Oh, you got it on.
All right, Mark, what do you think will happen?
They will crush
What will crush?
the crayon.
Crayons will get crushed. Grant, what do you think will happen?
It'll stick together.
It'll stick together? What will stick together? Crayons will stick together. Madeline, what do you think?
The crayons will flatten out.
The crayons will flatten out. Crayons will flatten out. Does anybody have anything else to add? Emma. I can't hear Emma talking. Crayons will get softer.
Oh, this will be smaller.
The crayons will get softer. Does anybody have anything different? Spencer?
It will become flat shreds.
Become flat shreds.
Can I tell you mine?
All right, I have one more. Kayla, what will explode? Okay, so you think the crayons will bust out?
I was about to say crayons can't explode.
Will bust out. All right. Goggles on. Goggles on.
You gotta stay in your seat.
Goggles on.
I'll lose it.
Yeah, you guys need to stay in your seat.
Mr. McManus, what's the point of these clubs? It says it on the...
Okay. Voices off so you can hear. Voices off, eyes up here. All right, you ready? All right, I'm gonna walk around and show you.
Ew, I get to see it from here. Look funny.
All right, guys, look. Write what you observe. Write what you observe.
I didn't think you would smash it and make it go.
Write down what you observe.
Let's go get smacked again. Either. Is it gonna break?
Write what you observe.
Still smells like ew. Smells the same going. It smells horrible. I was right.
You want to touch?
Me and Caitlin were right. It flattened out. I know, I said it was good. Me? I said it, I was right. Yeah, but they also stuck together. So right and wrong.
Battery's flashing.
I put flat too. Flat and flat.
You want to touch it?
We run out of Play-Doh. I'm gonna switch to crayons. Whoa. Whoa.
Isn't that cool? Write what you observe.
If it turned into Play-Doh, the next time I run out of clay, then I'm gonna smush it for him.
Write what you observe. Want to touch it? Want to smell it?
These are killing my face. So weird. Yeah, it smells like Play-Doh.
Write what you observe.
That didn't smush. Yeah, it smells like Play-Doh. This didn't smush. It smells like Play-Doh. Dried out Play-Doh. That's what it is. Dried out Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Smell it. It was
You guys write your observations?
Yep.
All right, watch. Look how easily it breaks apart.
It's dried up Play-Doh. Is it dried up?
And you saw how the two different colors kind of clung together?